Hello again. Today I want to share with you a technique how to use Lindy's on slicky surface, just like a plastic or something that will not hold any plane like gesso or molding paste. With this technique, you can literally work on any surface your heart desire and add any colors of Lindy spray on the top of it to create gorgeous effect. So here's the secret. I'm using the chalky finish paints just like I would do with gesso on other projects. But on slicky surface, we cannot use gesso as the paint will fall down eventually. When you apply chalky finish paints, you don't need to have a heavy coat because here I'm going to use another color as another coat. First, I'm using the back color spray, Screaming Bear Shell Back. It has some very beautiful blue color in a tone, so when you put it on the first course, afterwards you may able to see some of the shimmer in blue. To create a medieval armor effect, we need to use a generous amount of Lindy spray. Once put on the surface, we could use our heat gun to point at a certain area. Do not move the heat gun until it is melted down like the embossing powder will do. Gang Me with a Spoon Gray is one of the most beautiful colors in Lindy sprays. I strongly recommend you to try it. You can look through the zoom up of my photos of this project to see how gorgeous the color is. Repeat this process again and again until you feel that the color is to your liking. But I would suggest few more generous coats. I hope you try out this technique because working on plastic is so much fun with Lindy's beautiful colors. Bye bye.